Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Muhammad Tarif Hassan. I welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. May the peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. In this video, I will show you how to get copyright free music for your video. So many of my friends are commenting that how to get this copyright free music. So I came to you to show that how to get this copyright free music. Because if you upload any video that contains any copyright music, you will get copyright claim. But if you use any copyright free music, you will not get any copyright claim. So in this video, I will show you how to get this copyright free music. So first of all, you have to go to a browser. So I will use this browser. Then you have to go to your YouTube studio. First you will go to your YouTube. So I'm going to my YouTube. And make sure that you have logged in by a Gmail account. Okay? Then you will get an icon of your channel. So then click on it. Then you will get this option, that YouTube Studio. So click on YouTube Studio. Then it will take a little bit time. Yes. Now you can see this interface Studio, and from here you can see that dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customizations and audio library at last. So this is the audio library where you will get this copyright free music, and this music is totally copyright free. So you have to click on this audio library. So I am click on it. So after click on it, you can see that here we have lot of music, and if we select more than 30, here 100, we can see that here lot of music, and every music is copyright free and we can easily use it. And if we use this music on our video background, we will not get any copyright claim. So this is totally free for you. And YouTube, it has YouTube license. You can see that license type. Yes. And if you click on this view details, you can see this YouTube audio library license. Here the YouTube has got this license, and if you use this video, there is no problem by YouTube. Okay, here you can see that you are free to use this audio track in any of your video, including video that you monetize. No attribution is required. The YouTube may credit this artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make available, distribute or perform the music files from this library separately from videos and other content intro with you have incorporated this music files. Yes, so no problem, you can easily use this, but make sure that you can't use this music on any illegal work. Okay, but I'm giving an example. If you are making an illegal work in your video, you can't use this music and it is totally prohibited. So here we have a lot of music. You have to choose it, and you can, which music is favorite for you, you can easily download it and use it. So how can we download? So suppose I like this music, so I will play it. It is not good, so I will play anything else. Let's do it. Let's play any other music. Suppose I want to download this music. So how can I download? You have to just go to this. Here you will get this download option. Just click on it. It will start downloading. Here we can see that it is almost downloading. And this is how you can easily download any music. It is totally easy. You can see that our download is complete. Let's play. Yes, you can see that our download is completed. So here we have a lot of music, and which music is favorite, you can easily download it. And after downloading it, you can easily use this music as your video background. And if you use this music as your video background, you will not get any copyright claim or copyright strike from YouTube, because it is totally licensed by YouTube. And the YouTube also gave the credit to that artist. Here you can see that the artist name, and here we have also the artist link also. So this music are totally free. You can easily use this music. Just you have to choose your favorite music. Here we have a lot of music. You have to just choose it. Okay, and here we have also another thing that we can search or filter library. From here you can search any type of music, like I want to download any music related to the guitar, like I will search guitar. It will provide me and give me the guitar music. Let's play one. Let's play anything else. Yes, you can see that it is a rock and guitar sound background music. So here we have a lot of music. You have to just choose your favorite one, and after choosing it, if you want to download it, just click on download and it will automatically start your downloading. Look, it is downloading, and after downloading it, you can easily use as your video background. After making this video, if you upload this video, you will not get any copyright claim. These are totally free. So from here you can see that we have a lot of music, and from here we can choose any of our music. So now I want to play each of this music, and then we will choose our favorite one, then we will download it. So now I will play every music. So I'm starting. Let's do it. And from them this music is really favorite for me, so I want to download this music. So how can I download it? So you have to just go to this download option, just click on this download option. So after clicking on download, you can see that our music is downloading. So this is how you can easily download it. So now I want to move on another music. and this music is also favorite for me and I like this music. So now I want to download this. So first of all, if you want to download this, just select this music and then you will get a download option on your right. Then click on this download icon and it will start downloading. This is how you can download any of your music that you like, and this is totally copyright free. So now I want to move on to our another music. Let's do it. And this music is also favorite to me and I want to download this music. So just click on this download icon and it will start downloading. Yes, you can see that it is downloading, and this is how you can easily download it. So just you have to choose your favorite music. And now I want to move on to my another music. Let's do it. Yes, this music is also sound good to me, so I want to download this music. So just click on this download and it will start downloading. And I want to move on to my another music, because from here I want to choose the favorite background music, and in my future video I will use this music. That's why I'm choosing this music and I'm showing it that how to download it and how to use this. So now I want to move on to the next music. Let's do it. Yes, this music also sounds good, so I want to download this. Just click on download. It will start downloading. So now I will move on to the another music. Yes, this music is also favorite to me, so now I want to download this music also. So if I want to download this music, so what I have to do? I have to just select the music I like, then I will click on this download option. Then just click on it and it will automatically start downloading. Look at that. It is totally easy process. So here we have lot of music that I can't show you in one video, that it will not finish. So here we have lot of, it means hundreds of videos. Look, here we have over 200. If we go to the next, look at that. Here we have over 300. If we click on next page, but it will not finish. So here we have hundreds and thousands of music. Just you have to choose your favorite music and then you can easily use this. Look, we are going to the next page, but it is not finishing. Look, so go to the next. So you can see that here we have hundreds and thousands of music. So every of this music is totally free, and these are totally free, and here we have no copyright issue, and we can easily use this on our video as a background. And because background music is very important, because without background this video will not very good, sounds not good. Background music make your video so cool. So I also use this background music. So you have to just select your favorite music, and you can see that here we have not only hundreds, thousands of music. So it is totally impossible for me to show all the music in one video within some minutes. So I just show you this. If you need any music, you have to just play it, and if you like this music, you have to just click on this download option, then you can easily download it, and then you can easily use this music on your video as a background. And if you upload this video on your YouTube channel, you will not get any copyright claim and copyright strike. These are totally copyright free. I hope you understood that how to download this copyright free music from your YouTube studio, and I hope you can use it on your video. If you can't use it on your video, just comment me and I will show you in my next video that how to use background music on your video during video editing. I will show you this. Just comment me. So I hope you understood that how to download this copyright free music. If you enjoy our video, please like, comment and share, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. So that's all for today. We will come to you again with an interesting topic. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and pray for me. And I always say that love your country and try to do something for your country. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.